So I want to point out the different around 3 lawsuits which have taken place in the industry because licenses were not evaluated correctly or people made mistakes, and as a result there were lawsuits against them. So the first case is the Free Software Foundation, that is FSF.org versus Cisco. The Free Software Foundation accused Cisco of violating the terms of the GPL license when in one of its products it used modified Linux. So as you know, Linux is under in GPL license, and the Free Software Foundation accused them of basically violating the GPL license, and eventually Cisco had to release the source code for one of its products, which cost the company several $1 million. Another open source lawsuit was against the Free Software Foundation versus Verizon, wherein the Free Software Foundation accused Verizon of violating the terms of the GPL license for its BusyBox product. The lawsuit was finally settled with the release of the BusyBox source and the payment of a huge sum of money to the Free Software Foundation. Another recent case or lawsuit is the Jacobson versus Katzer. Katzer's firm was accused of copying and distributing a tool released under open source which used artistic license by Jacobson. According to Katzer, a software contractor omitted the copyright notice in the source code, which later became the basis of the lawsuit. So if you use any open source component, it is very essential that you include the original copyright notice. You do not remove the copyright notices, and even if you modify the source code, you note down the changes, track the changes, and keep it with you, and don't remove the notices and the copyrights. That is helpful and for preventing any lawsuit. So how can we use open source code then?